Guess what? I've been in a horrible blizzard yesterday. I guess a long time ago. And it was so hard. I seen cars that crashed down. One car was upside down. That's what I've seen. It was so surprising that I'm gonna maybe show my friend this video named Sydney or Isla or Jazz. Maybe all of them if they come over again someday. We had to drive through the snow. The car was going slow because there was so much snow. No one was plowing or, like digging up the snow off of the roads. It was not cool. Now look how much snow there is now. I think it's still a bunch from yesterday. See? I don't think we've seen so much snow like this before. But it was really, really surprising. And I don't know, Benjamin seen it. Right there. So he knows how it happened. Do you know how the blizzard happened, Ben? I did. Because I've been in the car at the blizzard. And it was not cool. So I don't know. But good thing we did not crash. I thought we were going to crash. I was so sad. And so I wasn't not really sad. I was just scared. And other stuff like that too. Actually, this is gonna be weird. I had to go to the bathroom. I peed in my pants. I mean, really, I did because I had to. There are no exits or anything. Nobody could go to the exits because the cars wouldn't keep going. Well, they didn't have to because the blizzard was so bad. It was still snowing. Nobody was plowing. None of the cars, or how they say it, but really, I think that was bad day. I really peed in my pants because I had to. My mom gave me like a diaper thingy, kinda. Well, it's not like a diaper like a baby wears. It ain't. So we had to go really slow. Guess what? That scared me the most. My dad was driving. He pressed, I think,